what is stoichiometrical calculations. In examination sometimes they are asking what is stoichiometrical calculations. The calculations based on balanced chemical equations are known as stoichiometrical calculations. That means you should know how to balance the chemical. From the balanced chemicals you are going to calculate the amount of reactant, that is called as, that calculation which is based on this, that we called as stoichiometrical calculations. So for that students you are able to write the chemical equations, that is balanced chemical equations. If you know, then only you can find out the amount. Stoichiometrical problem based on the mass and volume and volume type we are going to see here. Now students, first question is students, calculate the mass of carbon dioxide and water formed on complete combustion of 24 gram of methane gas. So students, here read the questions properly. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide and water formed on complete combustion of 24 gram of methane. So methane students, when burns in oxygen, so it will form carbon dioxide and water. That students you are going to write first. So if you want to write the solutions, so balanced chemical equation is must. So students, methane you are burning in presence of oxygen. So methane formula students you should know, CH4. This is the methane. Now it is a gas. Methane gas is burned in oxygen gas students, and it will form the carbon dioxide gas and water vapor gas. This is the water vapor gas. So these students, first we are going to balance the carbon. Here one carbon. Water, hydrogen is 4 on reactant side. Here you have only 2. So if you want to balance this, you have to write 2. Now here students, when you see the oxygen on this side is 2, on product side you have 4 oxygen. So you have to balance them. This way you have to students, you have to balance. After balancing students, you write down the amount, molecular mass. Now here students, CH4, when you write down the 12 carbon plus 4 hydrogen, that is 16 gram. 12 plus 4, that is 16 gram. Now here students, oxygen is 16 twice, that is 32. 32 multiplied by 2, that is you require 64 gram. So 60 gram of methane always requires 64 gram of oxygen, and it will produce you carbon is 12, that is oxygen 2, that is 32. It will give you 44 gram carbon dioxide, and here students in water you have 18, that is 18 to the 36 gram. So these are the I have written in installed. Now what happens students? Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide and water formed in complete combustion, 24 gram of methane. Now here is students, 16 gram of methane will gives you 44 gram of carbon dioxide and 36 gram of water vapor. What about 24 gram? So it is very simple students. Since you can write like this, since 16 gram of methane gas produces, 16 gram of methane gas produces how much carbon dioxide? 44 gram carbon dioxide. 44 gram of carbon dioxide. So what about 24 gram of methane students? 24 gram of methane gas, how much it will produce? Question mark. So you have to do the cross multiplication. So how much students? Amount of carbon dioxide gas is which is equals to, if you cross multiply 24 into 44 upon 16, which is coming 66 gram. Same way students, you can also find the amount of water vapor also. So this way students, we can say similarly 16 gram produce 36 gram of water. Similarly students, you can also say 60 gram of methane gas will produces 36 gram of water vapor. So what about students, 24 gram of methane gas, how much it will produce? Same way students, you have to do that. So if you want to find the amount of water vapor, so students, you have to do the cross multiplication. 24 into 36 upon 16, which is coming 54 gram. So this way students, we have calculated amount of water and amount of carbon dioxide. These are very important students. We can solve the other problems also. Now students, how many liter of oxygen at STP standard temperature pressures are required to burn completely 2.2 gram of propane? Now students, here we are going to burn the propane. How many liter of oxygen at standard temperature pressure are required to burn complete 2.2 gram of propane? Propane molecular formula students C3H8. So students, we are going to burn the propane gas in presence of oxygen. So it will always produce carbon dioxide and water. So if you want to find out the solution students, you should know the balance equation. We are burning the propane gas. Formula is C3H8. This is the gas we are burning in oxygen gas. In oxygen gas students, always whenever we burn in oxygen, it will form carbon dioxide gas and water vapor, which is also present in gas form. So now students, we are going to balance the carbon first. So students, here in reactant side we have 3 carbon, product side only 1 carbon, so balance it will become 3, correct? Hydrogen students, when you see the reactant side it is 8 and product side students, hydrogen is only 2 hydrogen. So if you want to balance, you have to put 2 students here. Now students, we see the oxygen on reactant side only 2 oxygen is there. This side students, we have 6 plus 4, that is 10. So for that students, if you want to balance, you have to put the 5. After balancing students, you have to write down the molecular formula. Molecular weight students of this compound will be, if you find out the molecular, it is coming, carbon is 12, 3 carbon is there and carbon atomic number is 12 plus 8, 1 into 8. When you add students, it will comes to 44 gram. Now students, oxygen molecule is 32, but it is gas students, because here volume is liter, they are asking in liter. So it is present, because in equations it is in liter, so we have to multiply 5 into 22.4 liter, so it will comes 112 liter. So 44 gram of this propane gas required 112 liter of oxygen, and it will produce carbon dioxide and water. Okay students, so students, from this we comes to know, this is the first step. In second step students, what we will do, since to burn 44 gram of propane we require 112 liter of oxygen. Question is asking how many liter of oxygen are required to burn 2.2 gram of, only 2.2 gram of propane. So students, since we are knowing if 44 gram of propane C3H8 corresponds to 112 liter of oxygen. Okay students, now in question it is given, then what will 2.2 gram of propane, that is C3H8, require how much liter of oxygen? So here again we have to do the cross multiplication students. The amount of oxygen, how much amount of oxygen required students? If you want to find out the amount of oxygen, so you have to do the cross multiplication. Amount of oxygen is equals to amount of oxygen is equal to cross multiplication students. When you do the cross multiplications, 112 liter multiply by 2.2 gram divided by 44 gram. So if you do the multiplication students, it will come 5.6 liter. So this is the answer students. So we require 5.6 liters of oxygen at standard temperature pressure for complete combustion. So this much amount of oxygen is required. Okay students, this is very important students. In examination every time they are asking, out of 2 questions 1 question is compulsory.